Let's investigate and explore light. So the light around us is called white light. But actually, if we separate light, we see a whole spectrum of colour. Scientists have explored and investigated this repeatedly and always find the same spectrum of colour. We can do this using many different techniques. A simple one to prove that white light is made up of the spectrum of colour is to get a cardboard disc or a plate like this, separate it into sections, colour each section in a different colour, any colours, put a hole in the centre, put it on a split pin or something like that, attach it to a pencil or a piece of dowling and spin it as fast as you can, and guess what? You'll see it all blends into one and makes white. Alternatively, many scientists use something like this. This is called a glass prism. You need to be really careful using these because if you drop them, they break quite easily and then they actually send the light off in different directions and you can't separate it so well. You need a beam of light. I'm using this torch. This torch has actually got 3 separate bulbs in it, so it's not great for separating light. It confuses it a little bit. But if you play around, put your torch on and you play around with your prism, you will see a whole spectrum of colour emerging. So you probably can't see that too clearly. We've got a lot of light pollution in here today as well because it's quite a sunny day. And I need to have the lights on so that you can see the video. But I can see violet, green, orange, yellow and red right at the centre. If you do this in a darkened room on white paper with a good torch, you'll actually see the spectrum of colour appear before your eyes. So just play around with it and you don't have to be too patient actually. You might have also seen light being separated in rainbows. Or if you've seen a puddle on the ground, you might just see that rainbow shade above it. And that is the light being separated into the spectrum of colour.